वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं नमोस्तुते व्यासविशालबुद्धे कुलारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णा प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः नमो नमः. Good afternoon, good evening to the Bhagavad Gita session. This is the first Bhagavad Gita session in our own sadhana bhumi, in our own dhrida bhumi, in our own yoga center, in our own the temple. We are doing in front of the Vasudeva altar here. We have started on the 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, the concluding chapter. It is called as the Moksha Sannyasa Yoga. It is a summary of all the shlokas are condensed in the 18th chapter. Whatever has been told, like when you are doing a PhD thesis or research, you have to write what you are going to do and explain on that one. Towards the end, you have to conclude what have you done. Summary. First, in the beginning is abstract. Second chapter is called as abstract, and in the last chapter it's a summary. The Bhagavad Gita is called as super psychology text. Our Aishanya, she is doing a psychology. It is a psychology, super psychology text. Modern the psychology what we study in the university, it is based on Freud and Jung and other modern approach, whereas this one is a timeless. It's a super psychology. It is a textbook for even the great psychologist and great psychiatrist also. And here Bhagavad Gita, that last week who is that? Jitendra asked me the question, Dr. Jitendra, is the guna can be changed? Guna, that this chapter, from the 14th chapter, guna comes in the 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, the modes. What binds us? Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic guna. It is talking about all gunas, and what is gunas are subject to change, ropes are subject to change. Swabhava, it binds the swabhava. Whatever is my swabhava, what it is not allowing me to express, that is called as guna. Guna is binding me, it is not allowing me to express my swabhava. My swabhava, the three Mahabharata talks about two types of swabhava: Sattvic swabhava, Rajasic swabhava and Tamasic swabhava. This that swabhava you can't change. But guna is not, I may be a Tamasic person, something has bound me, I am a very Tamasic person, somehow I am stuck in the company of good people. I am not allowed to express my swabhava. I am forced to be good. I am a very corrupt person, but working in an organization, there is no opportunity to take bribe. So I have to pretend to be good. Doesn't mean I am not taking the bribe, means I did nothing mean, it doesn't mean it is a sattvic swabhava. I may be going to the temple every day, maybe because of the compulsion from somebody. That swabhava, something is binding me. In the Mahabharata, it is talking about Duryodhana. It's a Tamasic swabhava, Duryodhana and Shishupala, who is that Jarasandha. They are of Tamasic swabhava. They are always negative. This and here then it is talking about Rajasic swabhava. Talking about Karna, Bhishma, Drona, Kripacharya. Kripacharya, they are the Rajasic Swabhava and they are bound. Pandavas and Draupadi, the Sattvic Swabhava. The Sattvic Swabhava, always Pandavas, appears to be tough. It is tough. It is, but they stuck to the positivity. Positive Swabhava. They stuck to that one. They are not moving away from the goodness. That is Sattvic Swabhava. Pandavas, they are bound by the cord of Sattvic Guna. They are also bound. They can't go to the negative one. They are bound. That is Sattvic Swabhava. Whereas Bhishmacharya, Karna and Dronacharya, Kripacharya, they were bound by Rajasic cord because of the obligation. They were obliged. They were for the short term, they are Rajasic, they were bound by that one, and towards the end they realized their mistake. They unshackled themselves, Rajasic. They could not be confined to adhere to the Sattvic Swabhava because of the compulsion, the obliged. Whereas Jarasandha, Duryodhana, they are proudly, I am happy to do the wrong thing. What you will do? I will do the wrong thing. That's a tamasic swabhava. They are bound by the tamasic cord. Duryodhana, for example, Duryodhana, bound by he's a tamo guna person, bound by the tamasic cord. For him, he could able to manifest his true quality. True quality. Even a tamasic person able to express the fullness of his badness, it is a celebration. I am a very tamasic person. I am at ease in this the company, that society, that is a path of his moksha. Moksha doesn't mean he is eternal. He enjoys where to be, where he is. Rajasic people, they are by compulsion they are stuck, but when the appropriate condition is there, they move to the Sattvic quality. Bhishmacharya, Drona, Kripacharya, Karna, they regretted, they moved back into the Sri Krishna says, Apichedasi duracharo. You might have done like Karna, Bhishma, so many mistakes. But still, even if you have done so much of mistakes, if you realize even at the end, you will be freed. That is how Bhishma, Karna, they knew at the end, they realized their mistake, repentant, that karma won't bind. Duryodhana, he would not repent. He would not repent even in the last minute of his life, and he was telling Sri Krishna, I am proud that what I have done, and I am proud that I shunted Pandavas to for 13 years. I made them to suffer. No remorse at all. And Sattvic people, Sattvic also is a bondage. It is the Pandavas always in the Sattvic line, having born, Sri Krishna says in the 14th chapter, every mortal from the Brahma down, one or the other rope binds them. But he says, I am Nirguna. Nirguna means nothing can bind me. I am within the negative tamo guna. I enter them, make them to go further down in the tamo guna. I enter into I am the only Nirguna. I enter into the Rajasic people. I make them Rajasic. I enter into Sattvic quality. I make them Sattvic. I am always free. Nothing can bind me. But for all the mortals, one or the other qualities binds us. One or the Rajoguna, Sattvaguna or Tamoguna binds us. Sri Krishna says, always stay in the Sattvic. Why? In the 18th chapter he talks about clarity, purity, joy. Lasting joy comes in the 18th chapter. It's the question for Jitendra's question. And Arjuna Uvacha Sannyasasya Mahabaho Tattvamiccami Veditum Tyagasya cha Hrishikesha Pritakkeshini Sudana. Arjuna asked the question that the sannyasa is better or the tyaga. What is the difference? Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kamyanam Karmanam Nyasam Sannyasam Kavayo Viduhu Sarva Karma Palatyagam Rahustyagam Vichakshana Tyajyam Dosha Vadityeke Karma Prahurmanishinaha Yajnadana Tapakarma Natyajyamiti Chapare. And Tyajyam, sannyasa means giving up the action. The Tyaga means giving up the attachment for the results. Nischayam shrunume tatra Tyage bharata sattama Tyago hi purusha vyagra Trivida samprakirtitaha. The Tyaga, everything is three types. He talks about the Tyaga, three types: Sattvic Tyaga, Rajasic Tyaga and Tamasic Tyaga. Why the same action differently done? Why everyone's maybe doing the same work, outcome is different? Because the three gunas, they are getting colored, it colors the mind. Output, whether the sattvic is white in color, rajasic is in red in color, and tamasic is black in color. The type of shade you put on, outcome is the same. Outcome is different. The type of glasses you put on, you see the things differently. With different colored glasses, you see that it obscures the perception. With the sattvic one, you will be able to see it with very little distortion. Rajasic is more distortion. Tamasic quality, lot of distortion. It is totally misunderstood. Tamo guna. Yajnadana tapakarma Natyajyam karyameva tat Yajnodana tapakarma Yajnodanam tapaschaiva Pavanani manishinam. Yajnadana and tapas at any cost not to forego. Yajna means collective worship, the community bound action. And yajna, dana, charity. Charity, I can't give the charity because so much of possessiveness I can't do. And the charity also three types. And tapas, austerity. I do the austerity, deep thinking. The austerity, tapas also three types. I may be going to Himalayas and Badrinath. I may say I am doing the tapas. In the tapas, there are also three types. The Rakshasas also, many Rakshasas did tapas in Himalayas. They went to Himalayas. Just because I am doing the tapas doesn't mean it is a sattvic one. This is a three type. Jnanam jneyam parijñāta Trivida karma chodana Karanam karma karteti Trivida karma sangraha. Oh, sorry, I went into Etanya pitu karmani Sangam Tyaktva Palani Cha Kartavya Niti Me Partha Nishchitam Matamuttamam. The Sangam Tyaktva, the Kartavya, that's Tyaga, without any attachment doing that one, it is the Matamuttamam, is the highest order. That is the highest one. Niyatasya tu sannyasa karmano nopapadyate mohatasya parityaga tamasa parikirtitaha. Niyatasya tu karmano mohatasya, giving up out of the wrong knowledge, the giving up the fruit, tyaga, giving up out of the wrong information, that is called as tamasic. Dukkha ityeva yat karma kaya klesha bhayat vyajet sakritva rajasam tyagam naivatyaga palam labet. Rajasic people giving up out of the physical discomfort or going out of comfort zone, you are too scared to do. That giving up is called as Rajasic one. Doing that one, you won't get a karma pala. Karya ityeva yat karma niyata kriyate arjuna sangam tyaktva palam chaiva satyaga satviko mataha nadveshtya kushalam karma kushalena anushajyate tyagi sattva samavishto medhavi chinna samshayah. The nadveshta, when the sattvic people, whatever they do with totality. While doing, some good part is there, some bad part is there in any work. You are taking both good and bad and performing, that is called as a sattvic one. Nahi dehabhrita shakyam tyaktum karmanya asheshatah yastu karma palatyagi satyagi ityadi bhiyate. The embodied one, you can't totally give up the karma. Having born means one or the other karmas you are doing, you can't escape the karma. You have to do the karma, but how you are doing, the three types, the sattvic, rajasic or tamasic. Anishta ishta mishram cha trivida karmana palam bhavatya tyaginam pretya natu sannyasinam kvachita. Whatever you do, that rajasic mode or tamasic mode, whatever action you do, the three types of outcomes can come: positive, negative or mixed. It can come all three types, but one who has a sattvic karma you are doing, not attached to the fruit of karma, karma won't bind you. Karma for the other action, whatever you do, there is it binds you. Whatever you do, it's I did this today I did the cleaning, and I did the cleaning. That, so you might have done, but too much of saying some, that good merit, it will bind you. So you will get a punya, you have to reap, you have to take the load, you have to come back. Whatever you do, and for that you have to, one life you do, take birth for 10 years, 10 lives. 10 lives, whatever you do, that not to project yourself, I did, and that is the sattvic guna. Sattvic, when you do, it won't bind you. Panchaitani mahabaho कारणानि निबोध मे सांख्ये कृतान्ते प्रोक्तानि सिद्धये सर्वकर्मणां Panchaitani, whatever you do, 5 things are involved. What are they? Adhishtanam tata karta. Karanam cha pratak vidam. Vividascha pratak chesta. Daivam chaivatra panchamam. Whatever you have to do, you have to, this bhumi is called as a karma bhumi. This place, Bhumi, even the divine beings envy the sadhaks. In the divine Swarga, even if you go to Swarga, there is no karma opportunity. You are just going on a holiday to spend the money. Spend your punya. You can't earn more in the Swarga Loka. Or in the neither world also, you are only reaping the fruit of your negative action. Their divine beings also, they are envying those who are doing the sadhana. I could not do, I can't do, how lucky this person. How lucky is that person that even the divine beings they envy. So we need adhisthana. Adhisthana in the 13th chapter, Sri Krishna talks about kshetra. We need a kshetra. We need a field. Many of my classmates also, they say, I want to do something. I want to do something good, but I don't know what I have to do. Even at the age of 60, we are thinking, I want to do. I want to do. Why we are saying, we have not got the environment. We have not got the bhumi, sadhana bhumi. This, I was telling the students also, this yoga center, VKY Mandir, we have created, it is a field. It gives an opportunity for us to express ourselves, helps us to fast track our the prarabdha karma, and it is we need a platform, but we don't know how to do. Without that one, our life is ebbing away. Without a blink of our eyes, 1 year has gone. Blink of our eyes, our life has gone. Sushri is still under 10, then by blink he is a teenager, soon he will be a youth and adult, old age. Without, we are just looking for a right platform where we can express. To get that one also, we need Bhagwan's Kripa. To express the talent, where I can do the sadhana. Sadhana bhumi is required. Many people, they go to Himalayas thinking that Himalayas is a sadhana bhumi. Yes, it is a sadhana bhumi. This is also a sadhana bhumi for us. Sadhana bhumi, every day we can't go to Himalayas, we are doing the sadhana here. We need a sadhana bhumi. Get connected. This platform, it is created, as I mentioned, it is for the younger generation. They need a place of connection where they connect and excel in their life. Also, the current generation also, some place, Bhagavan is urging everyone, you come and meditate. Meditate. We are taking so much of karma. He is saying, come and meditate. Offload. You can't do anything. Naiva kinchit karomiti. In the Nahi Deha Brita Shakyam, Shri Krishna says nobody can do anything. Ultimately, one who makes everyone to do is me. Not to keep on saying, because of me it happened. Because of me it happened. It is making us to bound again and again. What meditation Bhagavan is saying, offload yourself. Give up the notion of I did. And not to get too attached to your name also. My name. My name should be there. My name, not to get attached to your name also. It is Bhagavan says, Nirguna means, Guna means, I am bound by my name. I am bound by my profession. I am bound by my social status. Shri Krishna, if you want to get unbound, connect to one who is always free. He is always free. He alone can untangle us. Otherwise, we are tangled up so much. and Sharira Vangmano Biryat Karma Prarabhate Naraha Nyayam va Viparitam va Panchaite Tasya Hetavaha. Whatever you do through the body, whatever you do through the talking, whatever you do with the mind, these five are involved. They are the body, the field is required, and mind is required. The field is, yes, this VK Mandir is there, it's a field. I have to have a mind also to execute, mind. And Karta, Karanam, I should have necessary tools, skills, and the Indriyas should be functional. And then Pritak Chesta, whatever you want to do, like I come here to do the cleaning, or dishwasher, or the puja temple, puja mandir, or teach yoga. Whatever I do, I had to put some, not come just sit. Pritak Chesta, and above all, devotion to the Lord, divine anugraha should be there. Then only the field, through the field you can excel. Tatraivam sati kartara Atmanam kevalam tuyaha Pashyatya akrita buddhyatma Na sa pashyati durmati. The one who the clouded intellect, the wrong information those who have, those who do not have a mental stamina, they do not see this dimension. They keep on saying, I did that one. Yasya naham kruto bhavo buddhir yasya na lipyate Hatvapi sa imam lokan nahanti na nibadyate. Yasya na aham kruto bhavo buddhir yasya, that he is talking about Hatvapi na imam lokan na hantina nibadyate. I talked about the example of Bhishmacharya, Kripacharya, Drona, Karna, and though they did so many wrong things, they understood that one, so they are not bound. They have done in the so many bad things they have done, they realized I should not have done. Even in the Sri Krishna says, when they realize this one, though they have done so many mistakes, it talks about what is the name? No, that Narayana. He said sorry.
That last minute.
Yeah, Narayana. What is his name? That he Ajamila story, and he did so many mistakes, heinous crime, but in the last minute he repented. What I have done, I should not have done. Only Lord will untangle me. Only Lord will untangle me, Narayana, Narayana. That though he has done, scripture says, even in the last minute, to do that one, it won't accidentally come. It won't come accidentally. You need a divine grace. You have to, Sri Krishna says, even if you have done so much of heinous one, that when you realize, oh, what a tragic life I led. And it talks about the story of the one the woman also in 24 Gurus. She was having all the wrong living. In the last minute, she thought about what I have done. What I have done, even she was liberated, and she was born as a Kubja in her next life, and Sri Krishna, hunchbacked woman, Sri Krishna straightened her. She had what it is saying, not to say, I am a very bad person, I am a bad person. Surrender to the Lord, even in the last minute, if you realize your mistake. Prayaschita. Prayaschita, after that, repentance. Repentance is a very important component. I should not have done. Only Lord will set me free. That is talking about this sloka. Jnanam jneyam parijñāta Trivida karma chodana Karanam karma karteti Trivida karma sangraha Jnanam karma cha karta cha Deva guna bedataha Rocyate guna sankyane Yatavashrunutanyaphi Sarvabhuteshu yenaikam Bhava avyaya ikshate Avibhaktam vibhakteshu Tad jnanam viddhi satvikam. The knowledge, knower and ways to know the knowledge, they are classified 3 ways. The knowledge, sattvic knowledge, is the comprehensive understanding, the totality, the holistic approach. You have a good grip on the Shastra. You have understood the essence of the Shastra. For example, we say if you read the Upanishad or Purana, 18 Puranas, it is generally classified as Rajasic Purana, Tamasic Purana and Sattvic Purana, and it appears to be Devi Mahatmya is there. Devi Mahatmya appears to be talking about Devi, and Bhagavata Purana appears to be talking about Krishna. And another Linga Purana talking about the Shiva. It is Vayu Purana and Garuda Purana. And there are so many Puranas. The people think I'm reading this one, only appears to be this is the highest. This is the highest. But the Sattvic person understands it is written by Vedavyasa. Only one, what is his intention? I am not reading by literal meaning. Vedavyasa in the Devi Mahatmya Purana also talks about, if you read the Purana as it is a gateway to hell. To understand the Shastras also, you need the inner eye. You can't read it by the lexicon. It is not a textbook newspaper. To understand the Shastra, you need a different set of knowledge. You have to study under the teacher. You have to, otherwise the same Vedavyasa, how can he point us to the different direction? What in the Shastras also talk about Aparoksha Priyanam Devanam. It's Devanam, they don't want to hear direct thing. They don't want to see as it is. A good student doesn't want any straightforward questions. Student wants to have a complicated question so that there is a thrill. In the yoga class, if it is only a simple asana, keen students, they are not happy. We want something to learn, new one. The Devas also, they talk about, they are written such a way that there is a hidden meaning is there. You have to understand. That is Sattvic knowledge. Sattvic knowledge, the comprehensive, what is the intention of Vedavyasa? I have to align with that one, inner meaning we have to. And Vedavyasa himself says, I have written some words susceptible for misinterpretation. People of limited intellect, they get misled. So good, you cannot have the ordinary mind to understand. You need, the Shastras is for one who has a mental stamina, purity, Sattvic. If you are reading the same scripture with a Tamasic or Rajasic, you totally understand differently. The sattvic one, you understand differently. And pritaktveena tu yajnanam nana bhavat pritakvidan veti sarveshu bhuteshu tajnanam vidhi rajasam. The pritaktveena, the rajasic people, as it is, they are reading Linga Purana. Yes, that is the ultimate. Whatever they say, read, that is the ultimate. They don't want to go beyond that one, that is the rajasic one. And tamasic one, yattu Krishna vade kasmin karya sakte ahaitukam atattvartha vadalpam cha tattamasudahritam. The tamasic people totally misunderstanding. At least rajasic people, they see it as it is, no contemplation. Tamasic people, they can't see also. Whatever they told, only they get the wrong end of that one. Duryodhana says, I also have read Shastras. I have read the Shastras. I know what is right, what is wrong, but I want to do only this one. That is what Bhagavan is telling me inside, do that one. I am getting the always wrong end. Niyatam sangarahitam ragadveshata kritam apala prepsuna karma yattat satvika uchyate. Apala prepsuna, the karma, then the sattvika one, not to the karma, sattvic karma, without any attachment, doing that one is sattvic one. Yattu kamepsuna karma sa ahankarena va punaha kriyate bahulayasam tadrajasudahritam. The rajasic people, they are doing for the name and fame. They are only for that one. When I do that one, my name should be there. My name should be there. Why my name is not put? Why you have not taken my video? And kamepsana, whatever you are doing, sa ahankarena va punaha. Whatever you do, that rajasic people, bahulayasam, so exhausted, tired. There is no joy. Because I am doing out of a desire-driven action drains your energy. When you are not attached to the outcome, you are not exhausted. You have so much of energy. When I am going for only desired prompted, best in me doesn't come, I am running out of fuel. I am running out of energy. Anubandham kshayam himsa anapeksha cha paurusham mohadarabhyate karma yattatamasa uchyate. The tamasic one, the starting also is a bondage, we finish also is a storm, the bondage, and their actions are abrupt, violent, and curt, and attached moha, the delusion, that is the tamasic action. And what is the karta? 3 types of karta. Mukta sangona hamvadi, utsaha samanvitaha, siddha siddho nirvikara, karta satvika uchyate. Mukta sangona hamvadi, sattvic one gives a lot of energy, bubbling with energy. Why the mental health is a big challenge across? Because in the tamasic mode, because actions are in a rajasic mode, desired, prompted action, things are not working in our way, I am depressed, anxiety. It's a sattvic one, sattvic mode of action. The mukta sango, not attached to the karma, mukta sango ahamvadi, no ego, utsaha, full of the energy, dhriti, focused. I'm so focused, I'm not giving up. whether the outcome is desired or not desired, I am not bogged down. That is that type of attitude is called as sattvic one. Ragi karma pala prepsu lubdo himsatmako ashuchihi harsha shokanvita karta rajasa parikirtitaha. Attached to the karma, lubdo is greedy and coveting and violent, no purity, harsha shoka. Today I am happy, tomorrow temperamental person, undependable person. That type of actions are rajasic, parikirtitaham, undependable. And if things are not going according to what I want, I am depressed. Ayukta prakrita stabda shato nekriti kolasaha vishadi dirga sutri cha karta tamasa uchyate. Ayukta, disintegrated, prakrita stabda, and prakrita, not a polished person, and no devotion to the guru, and no respect for the guru and elders. Kolasa, alasa, very lazy person. Vishadi, always in regret. Dirga sutri cha, not interested in doing anything for others. Procrastinate such a way that people won't give you any more job, no more responsibility. Dirga sutri cha, that is tamasic karta. Buddhirbedam dhrite chaiva gunata trividam shrunu rochyamana asheshena prutaktvena dhananjaya. The buddhi is also able to think three types. Pravrittim cha, nivrittim cha, karya akarya bhaya bhaye, bandham moksham chaya veti, buddhisa partha sattviki. Sattvic people, pravritti, what to do, what not to do, what engaged, what not to be engaged, what is to be scared of, what is not to be scared of, what is bondage, what is freedom. They know it fully well. That type of buddhi is called as sattviki. Yaya dharma adharmam cha karyam cha akaryameva cha ayatavat prajaniti buddhisa partha rajasi. Yaya dharma, what to do, what not to do. Ayatavat prajaniti, they do not know as it is. They are confused. What should I do? It's a crossroad. Every junction of their life is a crossroad, left or right. So confused, that type of buddhi is called as a rajasic one. Adharmam dharmamiti ya manyate tamasavrita sarvartan viparitanscha buddhisa partha tamasi. What is wrong considering as good. For example, not to take alcohol, non-vegetarian, I will take. What will happen? It's a challenge. The tamasic people, many politicians also. It is not dharma, but I will challenge. I will do that one. I will do. What will happen? I don't want to follow, abide by the rules. I will break. Not to speed. I will speed. What will happen? I will jump the signal light. Not to do. I will do. What will happen? That is called as a tamasic one. Dhrityayaya dharayate mana pranendriya kriya yogena vyabhicharinya buddhi sa partha satviki. One, the temperament, mental temperament also, the three types, dharayate, the focus. Focus, I am the sattvic focus. The focus, I asked you to write Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I asked you to do 100,000 times. I start one page and gave up. There is no tenacity, sattvic one, when you take any one sadhana for the life. I am not giving up. I took up for the committed for life. That type of commitment, it is called a sattvic commitment. I took up, I won't give up. I won't, I started digging for water, many rocks will come, many obstacles will come, I won't stop, I won't stop, yes, obstacles will come, many, I want to give up, but persistence, perseverance and patience, that dhriti is called a sattvic. I won't stop. I have taken up, come what may, I won't give up. Give up, that is sattvic dhriti. And yayatu dharma kamartan dhritya dharayate arjuna prasangena palakankshi dhriti sa partha rajasi. Rajasic one is a time bound. Time bound, I am committed for 1 month. I am committed for 1 month, 1 day, and after that project is finished, I am not involved. I have gone away. That is called as a time-bound focus, is called as Rajasic focus. Rajasic, for a project, contractor, I finished for 1 month, and like that one, in our life also we take up, I will do, yes, for this one, for the opening ceremony, yes, I pretend to be very focused, I will do. After that one, I am nowhere to be seen. My commitment is for the short duration. That is called as a Rajasic one. Eya swapnam bhayam shokam vishadam madamevacha na vimuchyanti durmeda sa partha tamasi. Dhriti sa partha tamasi. The Rajasic people, at least they have the time-bound commitment, and the Tamasic people only in the imagination. They don't want to commit themselves. Whatever it said, they don't want to commit themselves. Procrastination. Yeah, swapnam, the dreaming. What will be, that positive, negative, and they don't want to get involved. Bhayam, fear. And they are bound with the shoka. And their friends also of that type, they will be saying, I am not involved, enjoy your life, no, why project, commit yourself, why can't you enjoy, shokam, the friends also are like that, vishadam, always regretful, madamevacha, depressed, always depressed, the depressed people have the friends only the depressed people, and only talking negative. Even if you say good things, they don't want to listen. They are only depressed. Na vimuchyanti durmeda. They don't want to come out of their depression. However much you say, and they may go to the doctor may give an antidepressant. It may work for a couple of days, and it is not a lasting one. Durmeda, na vimuchyanti. They don't want to come out of that one. Dhriti, that type of focus, dhriti means focus, is called as a tamasic one. Sukham tvidanim trividam Shunu me bharatarshaba Abhyasad ramate yatra Dukkantam cha nigacchati. Sukha, we say, everyone says, I want to be happy. I want to be happy. Everyone's desire, I want to be happy. What is that happiness? It is also 3 types. Even everyone seeks, I want to be happy. I want to go on a holiday. I want to be happy. I want to dine out. I want to be happy. I want to make lot of money. I want to be happy. What is happiness? We don't know. What is happiness? Sri Krishna says it's a 3 types of happiness. 3 types. I can go to a bar, pub and keep on drinking. I think it is a happiness. That is also, they are the seekers of happiness. And I want to make work 24 hours a day. Because I get lot of things, and that is also happiness. I want to meditate. Yes, that is also happiness. What are the 3 types of happiness? Sri Krishna here beautifully explains. Aishanya, this your psychology, it is not your studying of Jung and Freud. This it is not this depth classification. You can, your psychology understanding, you can understand Bhagavad Gita, keep that one as a reference, you can understand the psychology better. Psychology, yattadagre vishamiva, pariname amritopamam, tatsukam satvikam proktam, atma buddhi prasadajam, yat tadagre vishamiva. Initially it's very tough. I want to run away. I want to give up. And the teacher is very tough. I want to give up. I want to find another teacher who is very friendly, always partying, and I want to that one. And who is that? The hot yoga founder, Bikram Yoga. And every the Christmas time party, dine, drink and dance party. And it suits many people also. It suits many people, yet tadagre. And but the sadhakas, yes, tough. The teacher got to be very tough to test the student whether in the mango tree is there, we are shaking the mango, whether it will fall off or it will hang on. The teacher wants to find out whether the student will fall off or stand. Yes, that is the Sattvic. Sattvic one, come what may. You can test me whatever way. I am not giving up. I am giving up. That is the Sattvic sadhana. Sattvic, yet tad agre. Initially it is very tough. But slowly, and Sushri, it's very tough. With the teacher may be tough. But it's a tough life. He can say, all my friends are having all birthday party every time. But Sushri, after 10 years, 20 years, you realize, my parents were very tough. My teacher was tough. That is why I am come to this one. Many people, they say, because of my parents, they were very tough. Because of my teacher, very tough. That is why I am what I am. Yet tad agre vishamiva. It is like a poison. Pariname amritopamam. Resulting leads in the tough, leading in sukanta, happiness. You are studying as after year 10, I have an option. I can drop off and work in a McDonald's for $10 an hour, $12 an hour. I may think, how good, I have a lot of money coming in. I started, but those who started, they did not drop off at year 10. They continued to 12, university, double degree, that they spent 3, 4, 5 years extra. The amount of the comfort they have compared to the person starting in the beginning, lot of money, pocket money. I am working for a woolly. I am getting lot of pocket money, but I am staying there. But one who has invested time, that it's a vast difference. Working for a Woolies or this one cash counter, maybe 20,000 a year. Working after a degree medicine, you are 6-figure salary, and you are so happy. The competitive advantage. Yet tadagre. You go through the tough time. not to the students in the initial days, not to seek for the comfort. Not to yet tadagre vishamiva pariname amrutopamam tat sukham satvikam proktam atma buddhi. That gives a lot of satisfaction. Satisfaction, that is called as the sukha. What is sukha? That is the real sukha, not the cheap happiness. You have to struggle and earn the happiness. That is called as sattvic one. What is the rajasic one? Vishayendriya samyoga yatadagre amrutopamam pariname vishamiva tatsukam rajasam smritam. Earlier, starting is starting rosy start, glorious start. My parents, whatever I ask, they give. They don't care. They keep on giving me money. If I say, whatever my mind says, yes, I want that one. Whatever I think I want the new gadget, my friend says, not to worry, beta, I will give that one. Not to worry. Many parents, they say, we did not have this much of luxury. I never say no to my son. I never say no to my daughter. I keep on giving whatever. Earlier, at the beginning appears to be Vishayendriya, so attached to the material things. In my classmates have that one, I have this one. And Vishamiva, initially so good. Pariname Vishamiva, end up as a poison. Initially good. My parents did not care about me. Whatever I asked, they gave. And end up as a tragic life. That type of the tragedy in the movies, some movies happy ending, some movies a tragedy. This is a tragedy in your life is rajasic. A tragedy in your life, it is called as a rajasic one. Yet tadagre yadagre chanubande cha Sukham mohana atmanaha Nidralasya pramadottam Tattamasa udahritam. Yet tadagre, in the it's initially also helplessness. I am in the wrong company, wrong friends. They make me to do something. I am not at all happy. In the beginning also it's a bondage, and end also, beginning also tragedy in my life, end also is a tragedy. And addicted to my sleep, laziness. I don't want to get out of my couch. Pramadottam, doing so many mistakes. Pramadottam, always mistake. Pramadottam, tat sukham tamasa udahritam. That type of game of our life is called as tamasic sukha. Tamasic sukha. Everyone is hunters of happiness. How you approach depends on the type of personality. The sattvic person sees the happiness different way. Rajasic people sees the happiness a separate way. Tamasic people sees it a different way. In the organization, corruption of opportunities there, I can take lot of money, appears to be lot of thrill, but I end up in a jail. The many politicians, many country presidents, prime ministers across the world, there is a protest is happening, corruption. Government is too corrupt. Because they started that way, ended up with that one, it is called as tamasic. There is a story, one person wanted to be king, but after his tenure is over, invariably they said ghost will come and eat you up. Rule for 5 years, and ghost will, after your turn, ghost will eat you up. And one wise person decided, my predecessors, They ruled the country for 5 years, 6 years. After their tenure, they were eaten by the ghost. I don't want to do that one. And the other side, he went and made sure that he did lot of good things. God, that place where haunted by the ghost, they say that ghosts are there, it will eat you up. He went there and cleaned up, did a lot of positive things, and all the ghosts were gone. After his tenure, ghosts were not there. He made sure that he did a good thing. Many politicians, many Pakistani prime ministers, they were hung after their tenure because of that one. They are attached to the Rajasic or Tamasic, ended up in the prison or get hung or killed. So that Sattvic one, our life also, we should seek for the Sattvic. It will give the Amrita, Sukha. The lasting sukha, we have to seek that one, happiness, that is the Sri Krishna is talking about, Sattvic. You get established in the Sattvic mode. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.